people, this is Sakshi. You're watching Sakshi Styles, and in today's video, this is gonna be my first ever review video on this channel, and I promise it will be worth it because it took me almost an eternity to film this video. Without any late, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, you can follow me on my Insta handle for the latest updates. With this, let's get started. And I said that I'm going to give a detailed review. I'm not just giving a detailed review about this particular mask, but I'm also giving you a detailed review about the brands, and then later on you choose which one to buy for yourself. There are two kind of masks which I have right now, that is one from Mamaearth, same Upton face mask, and one from Wow Skin Science, same. So if we talk about packaging, they both have plastic packaging, but in Mamaearth, as you know by the brand, they recycle more plastic than they use, so that's kind of plus point for Mamaearth. But if we'll talk about Wow, there are some benefits which I like more about Wow, but yeah, we'll get to that later on. So first we talked about packaging. In both we get 200 ml products, like it's almost used. Please don't just see the condition inside there because it's horrible. Only this much is left, and this is my new pack of Wow one. So I purchased it last year and I started using it. At first I was like in love with it. So the both good things are mentioned here, and secondly what I like about both of them, that they have like kind of good smell, and they are both having the quantity of 200 ml, which is quite good for the price you pay. If we talk about prices, the prices were kind of similar right now. Now I'm gonna talk about the consistency, which I feel like the Mamaearth one has the clay consistency. It's basically more like a moist clay consistency, while the Wow one has very solid and creamy consistency as compared to the Mamaearth. If we talk about their smells and their fragrances, they have quite difference in them, because the Mamaearth one smells like total pure Upton, but as compared to the next one, the Wow feels like more of a fruity smell as compared to the Mamaearth, which I don't like. So if you're someone who like fruity smell, you can definitely go for it, but if you're someone who opt for more natural smells, so you can go for the Mamaearth one definitely. If we talk about Mamaearth, it comes with this in this plastic small bucket, and it has one spatula kind of thing which we use to put it on our face, but I think that spatula is totally useless. At start I was like very kind of happy with it, but I don't know if it's the problem with me. As you know, I don't have a very great history with Mamaearth products. Exceptions are always there, and exceptions are it's a moisturizer, and I already told you that how much I love it, like thousand and a gazillions of times. So gives you very cooling sensation, and the cooling sensation is much relieving as compared to the Wow one. At first I applied and it gave me so much cooling sensation, like in summers it's a win-win situation for Mamaearth one. Then after 15 minutes you have to remove from your face and all the things, same things were happening. But suddenly what happened, that I started feeling sensations like burning sensations all over my face after third or fourth use, and I was not able to understand what happened. Like maybe it's because natural, the texture changed, the color and smells change, but why it's burning me like hell a lot. So there was one time like I literally stopped, I stopped using it. I wasn't able to take that burn on my face, and it was so painful. It was like it used to get all my skin irritated and breakouts were happening. I couldn't understand the reason, and I still don't know what's the problem with my face. Maybe my face is sensitive, but as it said it's for all skin types. I don't know like why it just reacted me or something like that happened. I'm not saying major reactions, but yeah, there was a time when I was unable to bear that pain, and at that time it was like warning from my skin that I should stop using it, and I did. I gave this bottle to my one of my great friend, and he started using it, and actually he kind of loved it. It makes his skin very clear, and all the things were happening, like he feel more fresh, and I could see it, like I could visibly see the differences which it was making in his skin. You know, when it comes to men there are very less options, and that is kind of sad, but yeah, I can assure you that Mamaearth works great on men, like for all skin types. But if you want me to guarantee a particular skin type, I can guarantee for oily ones and oily acne prone skins, it's gonna work great for you. It's give you that cooling sensation and you will get relaxation. Now coming to the wow one. So I really like three things about it. Basically, this actually I really like two things about it. First, it comes with a brush which is much easier to apply as compared to the Mamaearth brush. Secondly, the consistency it has, like as it's creamy consistency, it's easy for me to apply this product on my face. The first time I used it was 2 weeks before, and at first it was like very good, like same cooling sensation happenings, soothing your skin, relaxing, and that all kind of things happening. But the thing which irritated me is its smell. So the first disappointment for me was its smell. Second disappointment was me for its price. Like, I'm still not able to figure out that what's the reason behind the price increase. Could been have an advantage of you to buy, like there must have been one pro, as it already has so many pros as compared to the Mamaearth in my life. But yeah, it could have been better. Third disappointment was like the same thing which happened with Mamaearth. After the third use, it started burning me. I don't know, it's with my face or something. I still don't know. I am prone to which kind of ingredient which is mentioned in both these masks. Second thing you should know about Wow is that, as I told you, Mamaearth at the start giving me burning sensations like mildly, and then it turned to severe burning sensations after some usages. And same thing is happening with me in Wow also. And I just wish, because it's just been 4 usages, so I'm not judging, but I just wish it didn't give me that sensation again. Like, I don't think so it's gonna give because of whatever reasons, but if it does, I'm gonna update it on my Insta, and I'll request you guys, if you feel the same kind of things on your face, stop using it. But right now I use this Wow one, and I am feeling a hell amount of burn in my face. Why didn't you take it off if you are feeling burn in your face? Because what I felt that it burned, and then the burn got minute, and it become to a level where I don't feel any kind of burn. But still, if I'll see the redness in my face, I'll stop using Wow one also. Was all my thoughts about Wow. With this video has came to an end. I hope you like this video. No hate to anyone, but I have not seen anyone to tell about it. Maybe they have not experienced the same pain. That's the reason I made a dedicated video to both of these products, and I hope you liked it. Love you, take care, see you soon, and see you in next video. Love yourself. Self-love is very important, as I always say. And yeah, with this